Hello, this tutorial is going to give you 3 quick tips for how to make D2L work more effectively and efficiently for you. The first one is to remind you to always use the content button at the top left corner of your course homepage. This is going to take you to the main part of your course where all of your units and materials are posted. You'll have access to this left sidebar so that you can navigate through the different weeks of materials and find anything that you need in the course. So that's the first tip. The second tip is to bookmark the course calendar. So if you go to Table of Contents, Syllabus, Schedule, and Policies, if you're in an English class or a psychology class, it doesn't matter. This is where the course calendar is always going to be, and generally you'll find something that says course schedule, and it has the name of the particular semester and so on and so forth. So when you find that, if you click it, it's going to open up in a new tab because I tend to use Google Calendar. So it opens up in a new tab, but we want to go back into D2L. It will also open up the calendar in D2L, and this is the page where you need to find the bookmark button up at the top right hand corner. Click that so that it's filled in, and what this does is it adds a bookmark back here on the content page. So now under Bookmarks you'll see you have one item. This bookmark now will take you automatically to the course calendar. So you don't have to look around through all the different folders and try to find it. It's always going to be right here at the top under Bookmarks. It just makes it a little bit quicker and easier to get to the course calendar. So the third tip is to set up notifications. If you click on your name up here in the right top corner, you can choose notifications, and it will allow you to register your cell phone if you'd like to receive text message alerts, or you can at least receive email alerts for various different course events and activities. The one that I'm really concerned with is this one right here, announcements, new announcement available. I post an announcement every week that outlines what you should be working on and what your due dates are and reminders and tips. And if you aren't receiving those emails, then you may forget to check into the course and you may miss something important. So I encourage you to check at least this email button. If you want to register your cell phone and receive a text message, you can do that as well. And you're certainly welcome to choose any of these other notifications if you'd like to receive them, but they're not required. So those are 3 quick tips to help you make D2L efficient and effective. Use the content button in the top left corner to navigate. Set up notifications, and bookmark the calendar. Good luck and have a great semester.